Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through a neat little shortcut my husband showed me that you can do within Photos. This shortcut allows you to use stickers to copy stickers on top of other photos within Photos. So let me show you how you can go about doing this. I did a segment regarding how to add yourself to a background. You can watch that video here. But you can also kind of do this also within Photos itself on your iOS device. So here I am on my iPad, and the first thing I'm going to do is I want to crop myself out first. So I'm going to go ahead and press and hold. Then I'm going to go ahead and select copy. I'm going to go back. Then I go to my photo I took in Ireland, the ring a carry. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this mode. And then from here, I'm going to click on the little pencil at the top here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press and hold and hit paste and allow pasting. And there we go. So I literally was able just to add my cutout to this photo. So once I'm done, I can just hit done, done, and there we go. So that's an easy way to go about adding and kind of transposing images without having to use Affinity Photo or Photoshop or Procreate. You can do it within Photos as long as you can cut out the sticker. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content, feel free to subscribe and support this channel, and click that bell icon to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.